Welcome to the Grasslin TV channel. This product video is looking at the LUMii Contactor Timers. They are available in 3 different sizes, 2, 4 and 6 way sockets. They are an incredibly robust yet simple device for switching on lights and fans at preset times. Due to the quality materials used, our contactor timers are the most robust and reliable on the market. All sizes are fitted with the tried and tested world-leading Grasslin timer, as well as individual plastic socket covers to protect from moisture and liquids. Included with 2 metal brackets, the LUMii Contactor Timers can be wall mounted and hung in your grow tent. They are also fitted with silicone floor pads for floor use. These easy to use LUMii Contactor Timers are designed, assembled and quality checked in the UK. Thank you for watching this Grasslin video on the LUMii Contactor Timers.